Hi Year 6 and welcome to Wednesday's Christmas Maths. Today you are going to have to solve a code breaker to work out the presents that have been put in the stocking. Now I know that when we did different code breakers in school before, a lot of you have really enjoyed that. So the maths skill that you're going to apply to today's code breaker is BODMAS. So I want to do a really quick little lesson on reminding you what BODMAS is and what it means before you go and crack the codes. So, remember that BODMAS stands for brackets, orders, which relates to squaring and cubing, division and multiplication, addition and subtraction. And BODMAS is a way to help you to remember the order in which you can do mathematical operations. So the order in which you answer a calculation. Now, brackets will always come first, then your squaring or cubing. Division and multiplication, they're the same colour here in this diagram. They come at the same place. So they both need to be done after these ones and before these ones, but not before one another. And the same is true for addition and subtraction. They can be done either way, but they must be done last of all. So I'm going to run you through just a few examples of calculations and how we'll apply BODMAS before you go and have a go. So if we look at this first one here, 12 add 5 times 3. I need to check BODMAS to see what comes first. So brackets, I haven't got any brackets, so I don't need to worry about that. Order, I haven't got any square roots or squaring or cubing, so I don't need to worry about that. Division and multiplication, I've got a multiplication, so I must do that part now. So I work out my multiplication. 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, and then I get that out and I put it into my original calculation, and now it says 12 add 15. There's only one thing left to do, so I'll do that now. 12 add 15 is 27. Okay, hope that makes sense. Let's look at another example. So, 4 squared plus 6 take 3. So, brackets, haven't got any. Orders, oh, I've got a squaring here. Remember that squaring means multiplying the number by itself. So 4 squared means 4 times 4, and 4 times 4 is 16. Add 6, take 3. Now, addition and subtraction can go in any order, so I'm just going to work it through, okay? So 16 add 6 is 22. Take away 3 is 19. So that would be my final answer. Okay. Another example. 16 divided by 2 times 8. So let's have a look. No brackets, no orders. I've got division and I've got multiplication. So I'm just going to work it through in order. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 times 8 is 64. Okay, simple as that. And then one last example now. So I've actually got brackets here. So brackets, no matter what the calculation is, whatever's inside the brackets must happen first. Okay, so 20 take away 8 is 12. Must work that out first. That bit's done. Back in the original calculation, 12 times 12 is 144. And so that will be my final. Okay, so hopefully that's reminded you how you use BODMAS. Your challenge today, as I said, is to crack the codes to work out the presents that are in the stocking. So you have to work out your calculation, remembering BODMAS. You might want to write down the letters of BODMAS in the order to remind you. Then you're going to get a letter out of the code, and then you're going to have to unscramble the letters to make the present. So they're not going to be in the right order. You're going to get a bundle of jumbled up letters, and you're going to have to unscramble them to find something that might be in the stocking. Okay, hopefully that will be a bit of fun and you can practice your BODMAS skills as well. So good luck. We look forward to seeing how you get on.